Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Parvati Tripathi here from Paro's Craftology. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a home decor piece, a key holder basically from very basic things that lie around our home and chalk paint. So here I'm using a old panel. This was removed from one of my kitchen panels. So it was just lying around. I thought I'll use that, a small ornate MDF base to add beauty, and basic stencils from CrafTreat, and a single chalk paint. That's all you need. So let's get started. You'll see me applying chalk paint directly to the surface. This is because chalk paints as such doesn't need any primer. This is one of the best qualities of chalk paints. They adhere to the surface and need no priming. You may apply gesso if you wish to, but I thought I'll just go about without using it. You'll see that I'm just giving a single coat of chalk paint, and the coverage of this chalk paint is so great that I need not go about giving it a second coat. I wanted to create some crackle effect on my background, so I went about using crocodile crackle stencil from CrafTreat. This is a very budget friendly option if you do not want to invest on crackle paste or any crackle mediums. You'll see me gradually reducing the tone of gold because I wanted it to tone down from a darker tone to a lighter tone. So the upper portion you will see a brighter gold, and when it comes down it is toned down. This is because I have in mind some more elements that will be coated towards the end of the panel. Now to the MDF base, which will be our sentiment holder. Again, repeating the same process, I am using the same chalk paint. If I haven't mentioned the name before, it is Mesmerizing Maroon, the shade that I am using here. Again a single coat and my work is done. These chalk pens are quick drying, so you can continue working on your project without any hesitation or any kind of breaks. That's the best part. Now on to my contrasting color of gold. I basically wanted to make it monochromatic with just a tinge of gold. The whole idea of this project was to show that you need not have fancy products and you can use just things that are lying around you and make simply outstanding beautiful projects. You will see me edging now using the contrast tone of maroon so that there's some definition to my MDF board edges. I wanted to make it like a key holder for my room where I sit and create my projects. So I was more inclined to using just the word create from the stencil. I'm using a texture paste to get the impression. Now on to some embellishments. I am using a gold organza ribbon. Again, I prefer this one because it's easily available in any stationery shops nearby. Just trimming the edges so that it looks neater. These are some clay embellishments that I'm using. You can go ahead and add your own flowers, or if you don't want to again invest on anything, just use some pista shells maybe and create your own flowers. Once I was happy with the shades of my embellishments, I'm just sticking them up in the way I want. And this beauty here that you see is a chiplet, again from CrafTreat, a very small piece from it. And to adorn it and add some more beauty, I'm using a very tiny flower in the same shade. Now I've stuck the MDF base to my panel to create my basic structure. Next you will see me painting a Yakult bottle. These are the small yogurt kind of bottles that comes. So I thought the shape is very cute and it can be a good addition to my project. So you will see me coating it with the same chalk paint, mesmerizing maroon, just a single coat. This one here is a part of the chiplet that I used earlier, again from CrafTreat. I thought I'll add some addition. I was letting my chalk pen dry, and now that it's dried, I'm adding my gold acrylic paints to highlight the edges and to create some rough patches on my bottle. The idea was to match my background. Simple, ta-da! I wanted to coordinate this big bow with my smaller bow for my small bottle, and finally adding some beautiful tiny flowers. you'll see me adding the hooks, making it a utility base. So a home decor plus utility, a win-win situation. And you already saw that I have not used much of any fancy products here, and look at that beauty. Now adding some final details, and here's a close-up look for you guys. Hope you guys liked it. Till we meet again, it's Parvati signing off. Do not forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for instant notification. Bye bye.